Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman and audience. Welcome to my presentation. The title of my presentation is Recording System of Breeding and Production Performance of Dairy Animals in Bangladesh. I am working at the Department of Dairy Science, Bangladesh Agricultural University, Mymensingh. This is my university campus, and this is my country. And we have 64 districts, and my university here in Mymensingh, it's called Bangladesh Agricultural University. So this is the basic statistics of my country. It's a population, cattle population, buffalo population, indigenous zebu cows about 90%, only 10% is crossbred, average milk production 1.5 kilogram per day, milk requirement 250 gram per day, available only 55 gram per day, and the deficit is about 79%. So major problem of dairy cattle production: low milk yield, low growth rate, low fertility, and calving rate, scarcity of feed, heat stress, and diseases. For the last 25 to 30 years, many unplanned and sporadic attempts are made to improve milk and meat production through crossbreeding, but it failed due to lack of proper recording system, which is called the ABC of breeding program, use of inappropriate breed without testing, limited technical knowledge. So, dairy breed development in Bangladesh is still at a very rudimentary stage. It is now our crying need to improve the genetic merit of our indigenous breeds through appropriate breeding program. Farmers demand more adaptive productive animals, including indigenous breeds. In Bangladesh, 90% of cattle rearer are poor, illiterate farmers who are not willing or aware to keep proper record of their animal. Recording and genetic evaluation system are the nuts and bolts of a breeding development program for the dairy industry to be profitable and competitive. Considering the above things, two appropriate program has been taken in hand, which are breeding of through progeny testing and open nucleus breeding system, that is called ONBS. Breeding of through progeny testing objectives: production of superior proven bulls and conservation and improvement of native cattle genetic resources. Main feature of progeny testing program in Bangladesh at a glance, that is phase 1, total expenditure is about 1.17 million US dollar, and duration July 2002 to June 2007. Implementation area 22 districts out of 64 of Bangladesh having artificial insemination center. Main achievements of phase 1: selection of 5 candidate bulls, 44 progeny show, 2 seminar, 4 workshop, and training of 663 officers, 85 technical personnel, and 1,100 farmers. Now come to phase 2. Phase 2, total expenditure $1.45 million US, and duration July 2008 to June 2013. Implementation area same as phase 1, that is 22 districts out of 64 districts. Main achievements: collection of 62 bull calves, selection of 38 candidate bulls, 4 progeny show, 1 seminar, and 1 training, and training of 361 officers, 146 technical personnel, and 4,025 farmers. So, contribution of the ongoing BRIDA project. Main contribution: providing the AI industry of the country with breeding bulls of non-superior genetic merit, so that the national breed development is ensured at positive direction. Apparent contribution: stakeholders know that government has initiated a long demanded system for selecting the right and surely good breeding bulls for the dairy producers of Bangladesh. Good number of skilled manpower, growth in the number of commercial dairy farms through the awareness built by the project organized by progeny shows, dissemination of 4,38,012 doses of candidate bull semen in the field, whose result will come soon in dairy industry. Pronounced demand of the semen of the project in the field. A marked positive difference in the dam's average milk yield performance of the candidate bulls compared to AI bulls available in the national AI program has been observed. So, this table shows the brief of pedigree of some selected candidate bulls. So, date of birth, name of breed, this is the name of breed, L means local breed, indigenous breed, and F means Friesian, Holstein Friesian. And the name of the district, sire's breed, dam's breed, and dam's milk production liter. So, I have mentioned here is about the picture of some bulls. So, these are the pictures of local cows of Bangladesh. This is the local cows, the feeding of local cows. This is the local cows. This is local bull, non-descriptive local bull of Bangladesh. This is the candidate bull, sire breed number according to area. These are the composition and breed of dam, local and Friesian. This is the candidate bull, sire breed number, breed of dam. This is another candidate bull, sire breed number, local, Friesian, F1, and breed of dam. A cow with a calf produced by using candidate bull. So, this is the progeny show, calf from, we have announced some progeny show, this calf from candidate bull. So, now come to the number 2 point, open nucleus breeding system in Bangladesh for dairy development. Objective of this project, conservation with concomitant improvement of red Chittagong cattle, that is called RCC, that is native cattle, and establishment of nucleus herd of red Chittagong cattle, and it has started from August 2005. And table 2 information of red Chittagong cattle nucleus herd at Bangladesh Agricultural University Dairy Farm. These are the parameters: total size of herd 53, male 3 and female 50. Sources of animal, 6 places of Chittagong district of Bangladesh, breeding at nucleus herd pure breeding. So, this is about the information of red Chittagong cattle farmer society. Number of farmers in each society about 40. Conditions to be society member, having at least one red Chittagong cattle, willingness to provide information of their animal to nucleus herd. One selected member will maintain breeding bull. Members must obey updated rules and regulation. Notify before selling of their red Chittagong cattle. So, animal recording system as per ICAR. Animal recording system at Bangladesh Agricultural University nucleus herd, identification through neck tagging, pedigree information, individual performance recording which includes date of birth, parity of animal, birth weight, 3-month interval body weight, date of weaning, weaning age, weaning weight, date of puberty, age at first heat, weight at puberty, number of services per conception, age at first calving, postpartum heat period, calving interval, gestation length, lactation length and lactation yield, generation interval, semen volume per ejaculation, pH of semen, sperm concentration of semen, motility of sperm, abnormality of sperm, etc. Sorry. So, this is about the open nucleus breeding systems schedule, nucleus breeding herd at Bangladesh sorry, Agriculture University, where selection pressure is applied, RCC, red Chittagong cattle nucleus herd, animal recording, red Chittagong cattle, cows, heifers and calves, AI with selected bulls, then it goes to village farmers, and from farmers selected best bull semen and come to again this point, and from there 10% poorest cows culled. So, this is the design of open nucleus breeding system for red Chittagong cattle. So, this is the picture of red Chittagong cattle, female and male. This is female red Chittagong cattle, this is male red Chittagong cattle, and calves of red Chittagong cattle. One of the features of the red Chittagong cattle is that it gives about 4 to 5 liters of milk, and it has the quality of yearly calving. So, main features of open nucleus breeding system, specially applicable and promising for developing countries, detailed recording only in the nucleus herd, minimum infrastructure required, minimum field recording, conservation and simultaneous improvement, and maintain existing farming system. So, conclusion, I can say dairy sector in Bangladesh needs manifold growth, for which breed development, especially production of proven seed bulls through progeny testing to cater national AI program. Expecting to get 1 or 2 proven bull within next 2 years. Indigenous red Chittagong cattle, conservation and development. through utilization is going smoothly by open nucleus breeding system. So, expectation from ICRA 2012 conference to exchange views and ideas, to know the recording system of different developed and developing countries, to gather a new concept of research. Finally, I am eagerly expecting a way out to develop a dairy breed for developing country like Bangladesh. Thank you to all.